Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel's name is called Eileen's Lookbook, and in this video I'm gonna be talking a little bit on food following the new kimchi product that I launched the previous week. A few of you were asking me about the dishes that I featured in the kimchi video on how to go about doing that. I've also had very positive remarks from some of my customers saying that, you know, their kids don't usually take vegetables, but because of my kimchi they find that it's not so bland, and so they are snacking on it. They either put it in the fried rice. So I am going to be teaching you how to do the kimchi pancakes, because that's great as a snack as well. Very easy to do. You can find these ingredients very easily in your fridge. You can keep it there for long term. It will not go bad. As you know, kimchi is a probiotic, it's a fermented food, so it lasts up to 3 months or even longer. So those of you who have problem getting your kids to take vegetables, kimchi is a probiotic. It helps with the digestive system. It's packed full of vitamin C as well, so it's very easy to do. I've actually come up with this batter myself, and I just came up with this very simple ingredient. All you need to have is the normal flour plus the rice flour. I'm talking about rice flour and not the glutinous rice flour. So what I usually do is I stick to a 3:2 ratio. So for instance, if I'm putting 3 spoonfuls of flour, I would follow it up with 2 spoonfuls of rice flour. And then I would take out the kimchi and cut it into smaller pieces so that it's more bite-sized when you mix it together with the batter. And I would also put in the sauce from the kimchi that you have from my kimchi bottle. That is why people love my kimchi, because it's a lot of sauce in there. You can use the sauce and add it in your soup. It gives much more flavor to it in your ramen. Because the sauce is so packed full of flavor, I never have to add on any extra like salt or sugar. For me, I think it's just fine as it is, and then I'll just mix it up with a little bit of water. Mix it all up and you're good to go. If you want to add in like extra things like spring onion or potatoes, which I usually cut it up into slices. I used to blend the potato and mix it with the ingredients, but I didn't really like how it makes the texture feel like gooey kind of thing. I still like a little bit of texture in my pancake, so I would slice it up, and I would also top it up with some sesame seed towards the end when you're frying it and it's almost done, because if you put it too early on, the sesame seed will actually burn. So I would usually do either a big pancake and then I will slice it up like a pizza, or I would do it in a mini pancake size. I think it's great for your kids. They can just snack on that little piece of pancake. You can make as many as you want to with the batter. So this is one way that you can always whip up a quick meal for your family. This is one of the recipes that I would like to share with you about kimchi. Thank you so very much for supporting my kimchi. As you know, I'm involved in the process from the beginning till the end. I myself personally go to the market to get the ingredients as fresh as possible, and I make it at home myself. It's not mass produced. That is why you can feel the difference, and it's packed full of taste and ingredients. It's made with love, and this recipe has been passed down generations. Over 100 years of heritage is what I've mentioned so many times before. Thank you so much for dropping by and spending time with me. And if you like this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button. Until next week, do take good care of yourself. And as usual, do drop by. My products are available at Merdeka Supermarket or at City Gourmet at the Peak or City Grocer at Surya. So I really hope that your support will help to grow my business from strength to strength. Thank you so much again. Take good care, and I'll see you next week. Bye.